Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create 300 pins per day on Pinterest, like this. So first and foremost, you need to create an account here on Canva. Don't worry, it's for free, but if you want to use other features, for example, this book create, you need to upgrade your plan into Pro. So go to Canva, tap on create a design, custom size, and then enter the size for a pin right here. You can tap on create a design or choose from any of the option below. Now here, what you're going to do is you have to tap on the signs and then type a keyword or any word here, for example, aesthetic, or let's just say quotes. You will be posting 300 pins about quotes per day on Pinterest. So look for the specific design, which will be our base template. For example, this one right here. But don't worry, you can choose other if you want to. So let me replace this with this one. And then here is we're going to add our codes. For example, we will be generating 300 codes for our Pinterest. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the first codes. Now I can add effects. I can change the font style, font size, and then I can delete unnecessary elements here. So this will be like we can post video or we can post picture. Everything is up to you. So now that you have your design, go to apps, go to book create, and then tap on enter manually here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add at least a 300 code. So I will be adding code 1 to 300. Okay. Now, next is for the next box here or text 2, we're going to add our codes. So for example, code 1, this one, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 300. Once done, then you can now click the done button. And then next is you have to tap on the text, right click, connect data, okay, here, and then right click, connect data. This one is for our codes. And then we can now generate or tap on the book create right here. Wait for a couple of seconds and we should see that in another folder. So generate this design up to 300 or 300 designs here or templates. Now we can view in folder and here it is. So we have 300 designs now or templates, and all you have to do is to upload pictures to replace to each of the page. If you have added the codes already, no need to edit. You just have to add pictures here and that's it. After that, you can tap on share, upload this as video or picture. Everything is up to you. And basically, that's how easy it is to create 300 pins per day on Pinterest. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.